Most of us have material throughout the year that is just too bulky to fit in our regular trash or recycling bins. Materials such as yard waste, furniture, or old appliances. Tempe's bulk trash service has for a long time picked up this material on a monthly basis. Recently, we made some changes in the program to help increase our efficiency and sustainability. And it also helps keep your bill as low as possible.
The City of Tempe is making some changes to the way that it collects its bulk and brush material. Residents will receive 6 collections a year, 4 will be green waste only, and 2 will be mixed waste.
Because approximately 70% of what people put out is green waste, 4 of the collections each year are dedicated to those materials only. The tons of branches, brush, and trimmings will be diverted from the landfill and put to good use right here in Tempe.
Material that would otherwise end up in the landfill is going to be turned into nutrient-rich compost and then used to create healthy soil throughout the community. So for the green waste collections, and more specifically the Green Waste to Compost program, residents can place out large tree trimmings, shrub trimmings that they do in their yard periodically, those types of things. What we would ask that they not place out during the green waste months would be 3 things: palm fronds, grass, and oleanders, because they don't compost well or they're incompatible with our compost process.
Tree branches, limbs, trunks, and stumps need to be cut to 4 feet or shorter in length and need to be less than 19 inches in diameter. Leaves, raked up pine needles, and small hedge clippings are acceptable when placed in a cardboard box or biodegradable lawn and leaf bag. Remember, no oleanders, palm fronds, or grass.
For mixed waste, nothing's changed. Residents may place out for collection everything that we just talked about in our green waste program, including the exclusions. They can put out palm fronds, bag grass, oleanders. If they clean out the garage, an old screen door, old broken down furniture that's not usable anymore. Essentially anything that can't fit in your bin, either your alley bin or your household bin. What residents can't put out, and they've never been able to, is household hazardous products, tires, auto parts, and those types of things.
The amount of bulk waste residents are allowed to place out for both green and mixed waste collection is limited to approximately 10 cubic yards. Picture a pile about 15 feet long, 6 feet high, and 3 feet deep, or about the size of a full-size pickup truck bed. So how do you figure out exactly when each collection is scheduled for your area? It's easy with this color-coded map. Just find your area on the map and then refer to the specific calendar that matches your neighborhood. These maps and schedules are available on our website or by calling 480-350-4311. You should place your items out for collection no earlier than the Saturday immediately before your collection week and no later than 6 a.m. on that Monday.
For residents with collection needs that exceed the scope of our program, we offer several options. They can take their material to a transfer station twice a month. They could order a separate collection bin, or they can call us and we'll come out to their residence and determine an option that best meets their needs. There are a number of reasons why we're making these changes. First and foremost is to be as efficient as we can with this operation in order to keep our cost as low as possible. We're going to cut the miles that we drive approximately in half, which is going to be a positive impact on the size of our fleet, which will be reduced. The maintenance impacts will be reduced. The cost of fuel will be reduced. All of this saves approximately $2 million over the next 5 years. There's also an environmental benefit in all of this. We mentioned the miles would be cut in half and the fuel use would be cut in half, which has a very positive impact on air quality. In addition to that, we're going to be preserving landfill space because material that would otherwise be going into the landfill is going to be composted and brought back into the community to create healthy soil. We realize these changes are going to take some getting used to. We want to make this as easy as possible for our residents. All the information is available at tempe.gov or by calling 480-350-4311.